Problems on line integration. Problem number 1. If f bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus y square j bar, evaluate integral f bar dot dr bar, where c is the curve in the xy plane, y is equal to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. Solution. Let f bar given vector 3xy I bar y square j bar. Let r bar is equal to position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Our curve C lies in the xy plane. Curve C, y is equal to 2x square, lies in the xy plane. That is z equal to 0 plane. That means z coordinate is 0. Therefore r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Therefore dr bar is equal to, differentiating on both sides, dxi bar plus dyj bar. Therefore dot product f bar dot dr bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus y square j bar dot dxi bar plus dyj bar. This is equal to I bar dot I bar 1 3xy into dy minus j bar dot j bar 1 y square into dy. This is f bar dot dr bar. Therefore here C is the curve, y is equal to 2x square, that is the parabola symmetrical about the y-axis passing through the origin. Y is equal to 2x square, which passes through the origin. So therefore O 0, 0 and the point A 1, 2. So C is the curve in the xy plane. Y is equal to 2x square from 0, 0 to 1, 2. So therefore this is 1, 0. This is 2 comma 0. So 1 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. Therefore, here integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral over C 3xy dy minus y square dy. So here see integration with respect to here x. Integration with respect to x and here integration with respect to y. Now integration of y square with respect to y. We can comfortably integrate y square with respect to y. Here in the first integration 3x into y with respect to x, it is not a double integration, so there is no possibility to keeping y as a constant. It is a single integration with respect to x, so all the variables must be in the x only if you want to differentiate with respect, integrate with respect to x, or otherwise completely in terms of y with respect to y. So therefore here we have the chance to transfer the entire integration in terms of y or in terms of x by using the equation y is equal to 2x square. Now here I can use the relation y is equal to 2x square. Now say this is equation number 1. Now y is equal to 2x square, differentiating on both sides. With respect to x, we get dy is equal to 2 into derivative of x square 2x, that is 4x into dx. Therefore, we are transferring y into in terms of x. Therefore, I can use here y is equal to 2x square and we get here 3x into 2x square 4x square dx, and then here also y square is equal to 2x square 4x cube dx. Otherwise we can integrate with respect to y square dy and find the limits for both x and y. Here you have the two options. You can separately integrate this with respect to x by substituting y is equal to 2x square, and this integrating with respect to y without substituting y equal to 2x square and use the limits for y. So, or otherwise completely change the given equation in terms of x, given integrand in terms of x. So, as per your convenience, you can use any one of the substitution here. Here x varies from along OA, x varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, zero to 1. Therefore, from equation 1, we have equation 1 is integral over C f bar dot dr bar equal to integral 3 into x into y. We are changing y in terms of x, that is 2x square into dx minus y square, that is 2x square whole square. Here y square, that is 2x square whole square, that means 4x to the power of 4 into dy. dy is equal to 4x dx. 4x into dx. Therefore, x varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, this can be written as 3 into 2, 6x cubed minus 4 into 4, 16 x to the power of 5 into dx. X varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, now integrating with respect to x, 6 into x to the power of 3 integration is x power n plus 1 by n formula, that is x power 4 by 4 minus 16 into x to the power of 5, that is x power 6 by 6, limits 0 to 1. Therefore, this is 6 into 1 by 4, upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0 minus 16 into upper limit 1 power 6 minus 0 by 6. Therefore, 2 3s, 2 2s, 3 by 2 and 2 3s, 2 8s minus 8 by 3, that is equal to LCM is 6. 3 3s 9 minus 2 8s 16. Therefore, 16 minus 9. So therefore, minus 7 by 6. Therefore, integration over C f bar dot dr bar along the curve in the xy plane, y is equal to 2x square from 0 0 to 1 comma 2. It gives the integration value minus 7 by 6. Problem number 2. If f bar is equal to 2x plus y I bar plus 3y minus x j bar, evaluate integral over C f bar dot dr bar, where C is the curve in the xy plane, consisting of straight line, O 0 comma 0 origin to A 2 comma 0 and then B 3 comma 2. Solution. First write down the given equation. F bar is equal to let f bar is equal to 2xy, 2x plus y bar, 3y minus x j bar. Let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Since the curve C lies in the xy plane, z is equal to 0. So therefore r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Therefore, differentiating on both sides, we get dxi bar dy j bar. Therefore, f bar dot dr bar is equal to 2x plus yi bar plus 3y minus x j bar dot dxi bar plus dy j bar. Therefore, this is equal to I bar dot I bar 1. So 2x plus y into dx. J bar dot j bar 1. So therefore 3y minus x into dy. This is f bar dot dr bar. Now integration over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 2x plus y dx plus 3y minus x into dy. Integral over c. Say this is equation number 1. So next I can write equation number 1. So I am not giving here any number for this equation. Here the C is curve in the xy plane consisting of a straight line O to A and then B. So therefore, here the straight line consisting of O to A and then from A to B. So first we have to draw the diagram. X-axis, y-axis. Now O, origin, that is 0, 0 and A, that is 2, 0. 2, 0. This is A. And then B, 3, 2. Therefore, this is 3, 2. Go to A and then B. Here this is A. This is B. That means B 3, 2. B coordinates are x value 3 and y value 2. Therefore, this is so This is 2 and this is 3. That means 3 comma 0. Here 2 comma 0. Therefore, this is 2 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0. Now, here line integration consists of, our curve consists of two straight lines. One is OA and other one is AB. Therefore, now integration over C f bar dot dr bar, it consists of, our curve consists of two parts. That is, one is the straight line OA plus and another straight line A to B. Therefore, we have to find the two integrations, line integrations along OA and along AB, and then add these two, we get the resultant integration along the curve C. Therefore, first we have to find the line integration along OA. Here, along OA, what is the equation of OA? So, OA means this is a x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now, first find the integration along OA. Now, to find integration of f bar dot dr bar along OA. Here, write down the equation of OA is y equal to 0. Then differentiating on both sides, dy is equal to 0. And x varies from, along OA, x varies from 0 to 2. Lower value 0, upper value 2. Therefore, now integration along OA f bar dot dr bar is equal to, now integration along OA, now 2x plus y into dx. Therefore, 2x plus y value 0 into dx plus 3 into y 0 minus x into dy 0, and x varies from 0 to 2. Therefore, this becomes integration of 2x and it is 0. X equal to 0 to 2. Therefore, 2 is a constant. Integration of x is x square by 2, limits 0 to 2. Therefore, upper limit is 2 square. Lower limit is 0. Therefore, integration along OA f bar dot dr bar equal to 4. Say this is equation number 2. To find integral f bar dot dr bar along AB. Now, equation of AB is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, where a is equal to 2 comma 0 x1 y1, b is equal to 3 comma 2, this is x2 comma y2. A is equal to 2 comma 0, b is equal to 3 comma 2. Y minus y1 0 by y2 2 minus y1 0 is equal to x minus x1 2 by x2 minus x1, that is 2. Therefore, this is y is equal to, by cross multiplication, 2 into x minus 4 by 1. Therefore, differentiating on both sides, with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 by cross multiplication, 2 into dx. Therefore, x varies from 2 to 3. Here, see the graph. AB, x varies from 2 to 3. So, therefore, x varies from 2 to 3. Now, integration along AB, f bar dot dr bar is equal to integration 2x plus y. Here, y is equal to 2x minus 4. Therefore, 2x minus 4 into dx plus 3 into y. Y is 2x minus 4 minus x into dy. So dy is equal to 2 into dx. 2 into dx. And x varies from 2 to 3. Therefore, this can be written as x equal to 2 to 3, 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 4 into dx plus here 2 into 3, 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x is 4x. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24 minus 24 into dx. Here you see that 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12x minus 2x, that is 10x. Therefore, this is 4x plus 10x, 14x minus 28. This is equal to x equal to 2 to 3, 14x minus 28. That is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 minus 28 into x. Therefore, limits 2 to 3, upper limit minus lower limit 7. 7 into upper limit 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 minus 28 into upper limit 3, lower limit 2. Therefore, 7 into 5, 35 minus 28. Therefore, that is equal to 15 minus 8. 7. Therefore, integral of f bar dot dr bar along AB is equal to 7. Say this is equation number 3. Now substituting 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Now substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1 we obtain. So equation 1 is integral over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integration f bar dot dr bar along OA, integration of f bar dot dr bar along here AB. So therefore along AB. So we are substituting these two values. Integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to, from equation 1 this is value 4 plus from equation 3 this is 7. Therefore 4 plus 7, this is equal to 11. Problem number 3. Evaluate integral over C f bar dot dr bar where f bar is equal to x square plus y square I bar plus 2xy j bar, and the curve C is the rectangle in the xy plane bounded by y equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to b, and x is equal to 0. Here rectangle bounded by the lines y equal to 0. That means x-axis, x equal to a, the line parallel to y-axis, y equal to b, the line parallel to x-axis, x equal to 0, that is y-axis. Now here let f bar is equal to x square plus y square I bar plus 2xy j bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Since C lies in the curve C lies in the xy plane, z equal to 0. Therefore R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar. Differentiating on both sides, dxi bar plus dy j bar. Therefore f bar dot dr bar is equal to I bar dot I bar 1. Therefore x square plus y square into dx, j bar dot j bar 1, that is 2xy into dy. Now integration over C f bar dot dr bar. Now integration over C f bar dot dr bar. Here the C is a rectangle bounded by the lines. x is equal to 0. That means y equal to 0. That means x-axis, and x equal to 0. That means y-axis. X is equal to a. That is the line parallel to y-axis. Y equal to b. That is the line parallel to x-axis. Therefore, this is x is equal to a line parallel to y-axis. This is y equal to b, the line parallel to x-axis. Therefore, this is the origin. The points are, say, O, A, B, C, and the direction anti-clockwise direction, positive direction. That means A coordinates, x coordinate is 0, y now x coordinate is A, y coordinate is 0. Here origin 0 comma 0, and the coordinates of B, x coordinate is A, y coordinate is B. Here C, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate that is B. Therefore 0 comma B, 0 comma 0, A comma 0, and A comma B, and 0 comma B. These are the points, coordinates of the points A, B, C, O. Now our curve consists of 4 straight lines. One is OA, and other one is AB, and third one is BC, and fourth one is CO. So to find the line integration along this rectangle, we have to find the line integration along OA, along AB, along BC, along CO, and then add to find the line integration along OA, BC. Then we get the line integration along the entire rectangle. Now integral over f bar dot dr bar over c is equal to integration along OA plus integration along AB plus integration along BC plus integration along CO. Say this is equation number 1. To find integration along OA dot dr bar. Equation of OA is, here equation of OA is y is equal to 0. Therefore, dy is equal to 0. And here x varies from 0 to a. X varies from 0 to a. X varies from 0 to a. Therefore, integration along OA f bar dot dr bar. So therefore f bar dot dr bar is equal to x square plus y square. Now y is equal to 0 into dx. Here 2x into 0 into 0. Therefore x square dx. X square dx. X varies from 0 to a. Therefore this is x cube by 3 integration limits 0 to a. Therefore upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is a, lower limit is 0. A cube by 3 integral OA f bar dot dr bar. Say this is equation number 2. Now to find the integration along AB, to find integration of f bar dot dr bar along AB. Now along AB. Now equation of AB is given that x is equal to a. X equal to a. That implies differentiating on both sides dx is equal to 0 and y varies from 0 to b. Y varies from 0 to b. Therefore, integral AB of f bar dot dr bar, integral of f bar dot dr bar along AB is equal to, now here x is equal to a. So a square plus y square dx value 0. Therefore it becomes a 0. 2 into x value a into y dy. 2ay dy. Integral of 2 ay dy. Y varies from 0 to b, that is equal to 2a constant. Integration of y square by 2 limits 0 to b, that is 2 to cancel. So a into upper limit b square, lower limit is 0. So integration of f bar dot dr bar along AB is AB square. Say this is equation number 3. Now to find integration of f bar dot dr bar along BC. Now equation of BC is equation of BC, that is y is equal to b. Therefore, dy is equal to 0 and x varies from a to b. So, direction is in this direction. So, x varies from a to b. Direction is very, very important. So, x varies from a to b. Y equal to b. Therefore, dy equal to 0. X varies from a to 0. Therefore, integration along BC of f bar dot dr bar equal to now x square plus y square. So here y is equal to b. So therefore x square plus b square and dx plus 2x into y equal to b, 2bx, but dy equal to 0. Therefore we get x square plus b square into dx. Integration over bc x square plus y square value b square into dx. X varies from here a to 0. Therefore integration of x square x cube by 3 plus b square into x limits. Lower limit is a, upper limit is 0. This is equal to upper limit 0 minus lower limit a cube by 3. Here also upper limit is 0 minus lower limit a b square, that is integration of f bar dot dr bar along bc. Say this is equation number 4. Now to find integration of f bar dot dr bar along CO. Now equation of CO is equation of CO. X is equal to 0. Therefore dx is equal to 0. And y varies from b to 0. Y varies from b to 0 in this direction. X equal to 0. Dx equal to 0. Y varies from b to 0. Therefore integration along CO f bar dot dr bar is equal to, here x value is 0. 0 plus y square, dx value is also 0. Therefore it becomes 0. 2x, that means 0. So therefore this also 0. Entire value becomes 0. So integration of 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 5. Now substituting 2, 3, 4 and 5 in equation number 1. In equation 1 we get, so equation 1 is integration over C f bar dot dr bar. This is equation number 1. So we have to substitute all these values from 2, 3, 4, 5. So equation 2. a cube by 3 ab square. Equation number 4 minus a cube by 3 minus ab square. Equation 5 is 0. Therefore, a cube by 3, a cube by 3, ab square, ab square. Therefore, this integration value is equal to 0. So, integral over c, where c is the rectangle bounded by the lines y equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to b, and y is equal to x is equal to 0 is integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to 0.